guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today is Memorial Day, and we're gonna have I'm gonna pick some ground pork burgers. Now, I would love to cook them on the grill, but guys, it's over 100 degrees today out there, so I really prefer to stay right in here, so I'm gonna do them in the oven. So what you're gonna need is a pound of ground pork, a little envelope of the Lipton onion soup mix, some pepper, some garlic powder. Now the recipe actually called for Worcestershire sauce. I don't have any, so I'm going to improvise with a little bit of teriyaki. Not as much teriyaki as I would have used the Worcestershire sauce, but I'm going to add it a little bit. Alright, I'm going to get everything in the bowl and we'll be right back. Okay, I got the ground pork out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Lipton soup mix. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. How much is according to you. I am not going to add salt to this because the teriyaki sauce and the Lipton soup is very high in sodium, but we'll be doing some pepper. And the recipe does call for 5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for Worcestershire. So I'm going to put in I think we'll try 2 tablespoons of the teriyaki. And the Vex mixers are your hands. My hands are clean. So I'm going to get in here and mix this all up. Make sure you get everything incorporated. It's just the 2 of us, so we're having quarter pounders. Alright, you don't want to mess with it too much, because the more you mess with it, the tougher your burgers are going to be. I might end up taking some for that. Alright, next I want to show you and do a little plug. I'm not being paid for this. I'm using the YOSHI copper grill and bake mats. I wanted to use the, as I said, I want to do the grill, but it's over 100 degrees and that's not happening today. So, also preheat your oven to 350. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make 4 burgers. That looks like a lot. I wish I had a scale. That's on my wish list. But I'm going to leave a link down in the description box if you're interested in these. Okay. I think these 2 are going to be big. Well, maybe. Are going to be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'm also putting Swiss cheese on these, and we're having them in sweet Hawaiian buns. Alright, when you make burgers so that they don't puff all up, what you want to do is make a dent in the middle of the burgers. Alright, I'm going to put these in the oven. They're going to take about 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll come back and flip them over. Be right back. Alright guys, these have been in here a little over 10 minutes. Wow, this is lean pork. And what you're going to be looking for when these are done is an internal temp of 160. So it said 20 minutes total, but I think I'll end up sending them a little bit more. So I'll take a temp and we'll be back. Okay guys, my thermometer is at 160, actually 161. They ended up staying in there 30 minutes total. So we're going to do 15 minutes each side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the oven off and put the cheese on it. And close the oven back. And I'm going to butter my buns. Be right back. Guys, look, here's my burgers, my crown pork burgers. And I've grilled the bun a little bit. Now what I like to do is on the bottom bun, I like to put chopped onions on it. I've got a chopped red onion over here. And then put my burger on top of it. Get some mayonnaise. That's the only real condiment I'm going to use right now. And a little bit of tomato. No, that's lettuce. Oh my God. And some tomato. Alright, and here we have sweet potatoes, fried sweet potato fries, well, in the air fryer, and they've got salt and pepper and garlic powder on them, and then some Parmesan cheese. Then we've got Bush's baked beans. I wanted to get as little done in this kitchen with it being hot as I could. And what I like to do is on my beans I always add some onion. Alright guys, supper's ready and y'all have a great day.